So we got this Dyson, I guess it's called a V6. Anyhow, it still works. The battery's just weak. Won't hardly run the beater brush just for probably 5 minutes, and then the red light comes on, whatever, and then it doesn't work. I don't know why they didn't make it with a battery that just snaps in like everything else, but they didn't, so that's where we're at. So anyhow, we'll see if we can replace that. Anyhow, you open the bottom, and then I think you push down again, it releases that. Got a couple screws, one here and back. Magnet. And another one here in front. And the battery just slides right out. Now, this new battery is a higher milliamp that we got. I think it's 4,000, and this one was only 2,100 milliamp, so this should last a lot longer. All right. So I'm going to take this out. I'm actually going to take this back apart and take it out and blow that all out in there with my air compressor and get that all cleaned up while I'm working on it.